Let's go back to our lecture now. So we are done with these two experiments, and let's talk about the data movement in the registers, uh, especially on the high and low. Okay, so no native support in MIPS processor except for high and low register. Okay, like data movement as it is, like, okay, copy one to another. Okay, copy one to another. That kind of scenario is not there in native MIPS. Okay, I cannot move a data from one register to another register. I cannot copy a data from one register to another register except for high and low, and to somewhat extent load upper 16 bit of the register. Okay, so let's talk about load upper immediate. What it does is this: the format is Louis, a register name, okay, and immediate 16 upper bit values. So what the function it will do, it will go and fill out the upper part, upper 16 bit of that register with the immediate bit pattern, followed by 16-0. So that means if there was some bit pattern at the lower 16 bit, it will be resetted to 0. It will be overwritten with 0, and upper part will be the immediate bit pattern. For example, Louis $S1 and some function. So what it will do, it will go and change the value of S1 to hex 5F 6A0000. Okay. Now a little bit on these notations. So this is curly braces, and two part means I am concatenating two bit pattern into one bit pattern. Okay, immediate is your 16 bit, and this notation 16 tick B0 means it's a binary format, 16 bit binary, and all of them are 0. Okay, so this is the meaning of that notation. Now assembler provides two pseudo instruction for integers, like load immediate. We already used it, and we have seen how the pseudo instruction changed its value, changed the instruction to the basic instruction using add integer, add immediate unsigned, add immediate unsigned. Okay, so li is implemented by the assembler, assembler through add immediate unsigned instruction. Okay, so let's say we are doing an li $t1 minus 19. Observe, if you do that, you can do it and run it in the program and observe how the pseudo instruction is generated for small negative and huge negative number. Okay, so we'll do that as well, and then move content of one register to another. So this is, they provide an instruction called move T2 and T1, which will copy the content of T1 into T2, and this is, you can take as a 32-bit value movement, but we'll also see how assembler translate into basic instructions. And then we'll talk about this high and low register data movement. All right.